Now our next point is that is the physical properties of carbonyl compounds. In the physical properties of carbonyl compound, firstly we see the nature of intermolecular forces. You know about that is aldehyde and ketone are generally known as a carbonyl compounds. Okay. Now see here, the carbonyl bond between the aldehyde and ketone are polar covalent bond. Okay, you know about that in 11th standard we studied about that the polar molecules show the which type of attraction, that is dipole force of attraction. Therefore in a aldehyde and ketone the carbonyl bonds are polar in nature. Therefore this aldehyde and ketone show the dipole force of attraction. Okay, now see here, due to the dipole force of attraction, that is the molecule orient in a such way that is the oppositely polarized atom facing each other. Now see here in the diagram, if we see the structure of carbon compounds. Now this is the structure of carbonyl carbon compound in which oxygen carry the partially negative charge and carbon carry the partially positive charge. Now then next carbonyl compound is written is like that is C double bond O. Okay, now see here in this structure, that is carbon carry the partially positive charge and oxygen carry the partially negative charge. Therefore that these two molecules, the molecules in the aldehyde and ketones are facing, that is the polarized atom facing each other. Now see here, this negative charge facing in a opposite direction to the carbon atoms. Therefore there is a which type of attraction take place between the aldehyde and ketone, that is the dipole force of attraction. Okay, that can be explained in this structure. Therefore in the aldehyde and ketone there is which type of attraction is present, that is dipole force of attraction. But in the carboxylic acid group, you know about that is the carboxylic group. We know about that the structure of carboxylic group, that is C double bond O H. Okay, now see here in carboxylic group, the carboxylic group in carboxylic acid, there is a OH group is present. Okay, and this OH group show the intermolecular hydrogen bonding with itself. Therefore this carboxylic acid show the which type of attraction, that is hydrogen bonding attraction. Okay, so we know about that is hydrogen bonding is strongest than the dipole attraction, and the decreasing order of that intermolecular force of attraction is like that is firstly the strongest intermolecular force of attraction is hydrogen bonding, then dipole interaction or attraction, and third is that is van der Waals forces. Okay, so this is the hydrogen bonding is strongest than dipole attraction, and then strongest than the van der Waals forces. Okay, therefore we can say that is the intermolecular force of attraction is strongest in carboxylic acid than the aldehyde and ketone. That can be explained by the these 2 points. Okay, now our next point is that now student, our next point, that is physical state, boiling point and solubility of aldehyde and ketones. Now see here in this point, firstly we see the first point, that is physical states. Okay, now in the physical state, firstly we write down that is about the formaldehyde, because it is a lower aldehyde, that is formaldehyde are found in a gaseous state at a room temperature, and its 40% aqueous solution is called as a formalin, and this formalin it is useful for the preservation of biological and anatomical specimens. Okay, biological and anatomical specimens. So see here our first point, that is physical state. For example, that is formaldehyde. Firstly, we see that formaldehyde. Now, that is formaldehyde are gaseous in nature at room temperature, and its 40% aqueous solution is called as formalin. Formalin is called as formalin, and it is useful for the preservation of biological and anatomical specimen. Okay, so this is our first point, that is the formaldehyde. That is, formaldehyde is a gaseous at a room temperature, and its 40% aqueous solution is called as a formalin, and this formalin, it is useful for the preservation of biological and anatomical specimen. Okay, now our second point of the physical state of aldehyde and ketone, in which we see the ketone, that is the acetone are formed in a liquid state at a room temperature. Acetone is formed in a liquid state in a room temperature, and it having the pleasant odor. But formaldehyde, that is formaldehyde, it having the irritating odor. Okay, now our next point, that is ketone, that is acetone, are found in a liquid state at room temperature, and it having the pleasant odor. It having the pleasant odor. Okay, so this is our the next point, that is pleasant odor. Okay, now our next point is that is the acetone. Acetone, it is formed in a liquid state at a room temperature, and it having the pleasant odor. But the ketone, that is the higher ketone, having the bland odor. Okay, लेकिन जो हायर कीटोन रहते हैं, दैट इज प्रोपेनॉन, ब्यूटेनॉन, जैसा जैसा मोलिकुलर वेट इंक्रीज होगा, दैट ऑर्डर इज चेंजेस, दैट इज बिकम ब्लेंड ऑर्डर. ओके, नाउ सी हियर our next point, that is very important, that is aldehyde and ketones. We know about that, justly we study about that, that is the carbonyl bond in aldehyde and ketone are polar in nature, therefore it shows the which type of attraction, dipole attraction. Okay, so due to the presence of dipole attraction, aldehyde and ketone having the higher boiling point than the alkanes and ether having the corresponding molecular weight. Okay, so our next point, that is aldehyde and ketone are polar in nature, therefore it having the higher boiling point than alkanes, that is hydrocarbons, and ether. Why? Because that is in aldehyde and ketone, due to the polar carbonyl bond, it shows the dipole attraction, and due to this dipole attraction, aldehyde and ketone having higher boiling point. But aldehyde and ketone does not form the hydrogen bonding like alcohol and the carboxylic acid, therefore aldehyde and ketone having the lower boiling point than alcohol and carboxylic acid. This is the next point, that is aldehyde and ketone having higher boiling point than ether and hydrocarbons having corresponding molecular weight. Why? Due to the polar nature of carbonyl bond, that is C double bond O, carbonyl bond in aldehyde and ketone, it show dipole attraction, dipole force of attraction, but okay, therefore it having the higher boiling point than ether and hydrocarbons, but such that is but aldehyde and ketone, does not associated hydrogen bonding like alcohol and carboxylic acid, therefore it have, that is aldehyde and ketone have lower boiling point than alcohol and carboxylic acid. Okay, so in alcohol and carboxylic acid there is a hydrogen bonding is present, that is they associated with hydrogen bonding, therefore hydrogen bonding having the strong force of attraction than dipole interaction, therefore we can see that is aldehyde and ketone having the higher boiling point than ether and hydrocarbons due to the presence of dipole force of attraction having same molecular weight, corresponding molecular weight, but it does not associated with hydrogen bonding like alcohol and carboxylic acid, therefore aldehyde and ketone having the lower boiling point than alcohol and carboxylic acid. This is our next and important point, that is the boiling point. Now see here, then we see the next point, that is the chart of boiling point of some aldehyde and ketone. Now see here in this chart, that is first point for the aldehyde. In aldehyde we know about that the first compound is methanol, that is CHO, okay, C double bond OH, इसको अपन क्या बोलते हैं बेटा, formaldehyde, okay, which is also called as a methanol. Then second is acetaldehyde, that is ethanol, CHO, okay. Third is propanol. Fourth is butanol, okay. Now and fifth is pentanol. Okay. Now see here the aldehyde, we know about that is aldehyde is formed in a gaseous state at a room temperature, therefore it having the lower boiling point like that is formaldehyde having the lower boiling point. This is the boiling point of the formaldehyde is 252 Kelvin, where acetaldehyde having the boiling point about 294 Kelvin, and that is the propanol, having the boiling point is 390 Kelvin. Then butanol having the boiling point is 348 Kelvin, and pentanol is 376 Kelvin. Now if we see that as the molecular weight increases, the boiling point of the aldehyde is increases. Similarly for the ketone, okay. Now we know about that it does not having the first two compound, directly we write down the structure of propanol, that is CH3CO, CH3, then we write down the butanol, CH3CH2CO, CH3, and then pentanol, CH3, CH2, CO, and then CH3, okay. So now boiling point of this ketone, first dash second dash. Propanone का boiling point, acetone is formed in a state liquid state at a room temperature, therefore it having the boiling point about 329 Kelvin. Then next is butanone, which having the boiling point is about that 353 Kelvin. And last is that is pentanone, it having the 375 Kelvin. ओके, अब देखो यहाँ पे अगर आप स्ट्रक्चर देख रहे हैं तो बॉइलिंग पॉइंट इज इंक्रीजेस, ओके, एट द मोलिकुलर वेट ऑफ अल्डिहाइड एंड कीटोन इज इंक्रीजेस. ओके, सो दिस इज आवर द थर्ड पॉइंट. टुडे वी सी आवर नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, दैट इज द फोर्थ पॉइंट अबाउट द solubility. Okay, now in a solubility we see that first point, that is the lower aldehyde and ketone are soluble in water, because the in aldehyde and ketone, that is aldehyde and ketone, in lower aldehyde and ketone form the hydrogen bonding with the water molecule, therefore they soluble in a water molecule. But as the molecular weight increases, the solubility of aldehyde and ketone in water molecule is decreases. Why? Because the non-polar alkyl group part is increases in aldehyde and ketone. Okay, so our next point is that is the solubility. Now next point is solubility, that is the first four aldehyde and ketone, the first four aldehyde and ketone, or the lower member of aldehyde and ketone, the lower member, और first four भी लिखो या फिर lower member, that is the lower member of aldehyde and ketone are soluble or miscible in water, because it form hydrogen bonding with water molecules, that is H2O molecules. Okay, now in a carbonyl carbon atoms, that is carbonyl oxygen bond, that is oxygen bond make the, that is oxygen atom make the hydrogen bonding with water molecule, is like that. This is the carbonyl carbon atom, it may be aldehyde or it may be ketone, and this is the water molecule. Okay, now this is a electronegative atom, that is oxygen, and this hydrogen act as a electropositive atom. This is a negative, this is a positive, and here there is a hydrogen bonding is take place between the hydrogen atom of water and oxygen atom of carbonyl compound, that is aldehyde and ketone. And due to this hydrogen bonding, the lower members of aldehyde and ketone are soluble in water. But as the molecular weight increases, the solubility of aldehyde and ketone in water is decreases. Why? Because the alkyl chain is increases, that is non-polar part of hydrocarbons are increases as the molecular weight increases, therefore that is the higher member of aldehyde and ketone are insoluble in water molecule, but the higher member of aldehyde and ketone are soluble in some non-polar organic solvent, like benzene, chloroform, ether, okay, carbon disulfide. These are the some non-polar organic solvent in which the higher aldehyde and ketone are soluble. Okay, so today we completed the important, that is the physical state, boiling point, and solubility of aldehyde and ketones. Okay, our next point is now student, just we completed the physical state, boiling point, and the solubility of aldehyde and ketone. Now our next point is that physical state, boiling point, and solubility of carboxylic acid, in which we see the first point, that is physical state of carboxylic acid. In a physical state, that is the lower aliphatic carboxylic acid up to 9 carbon atom, that is having the molecular formula is C9H18O2. It may be colorless liquid which having the pungent smell. Okay, so our first point is that is the lower aliphatic carboxylic acid up to 9 carbon atom, that is the molecular formula is C9H18O2 up to C9H18O2 have colorless liquid with pungent smell. You know about that pungent smell? Okay, pungent smell. But the higher carboxylic acid, the higher member of carboxylic acid having colorless, odorless, and it having the wax like solid which having the lower volatility. Okay, so the first point, that is physical state, in which we see that is the lower aliphatic carboxylic acid up to 9 carbon atom having colorless liquid with a pungent smell, but higher carboxylic acid, higher member of carboxylic acid having colorless, odorless, and wax like solid which having the low volatility. Okay, this is the first point, that is completed physical state of carboxylic acid, that is the higher member of carboxylic acid are colorless, odorless, and wax like solid, having low volatility. Okay, having low volatility. So this is the physical state about the carboxylic acid. Our next point, that is very important, which is called as the boiling points. Okay, second point is boiling point. Now we know about that in the last point when we studied about the boiling point of the aldehyde and ketone. We see that is carboxylic acid having the higher boiling point than alkane, ether, alcohol, aldehyde and ketone. Okay, why? Because when carboxylic acid is present in a liquid state, it forms the dimer. Okay, dimer means two carboxylic acid compound, two carboxylic acid molecules are bonded together with the hydrogen bonding. Okay, now see here in the boiling point, that is the carboxylic acid having the higher boiling point than alkane, ether, aldehyde and ketone, and also the alcohol, due to the formation of hydrogen bonding with itself, and it forms the dimer structure. Now see here in this point, that is the carboxylic acid in which the one molecules, that is C double bond O and H. Okay, now in this molecule, that is this acidic hydrogen atom which carry the partially positive charge, and next is that is COH. Okay, and here double bond O, and this is the structure of carboxylic acid in which this hydrogen atom is called as acidic hydrogen atom, and this is the partially negative charge because this is the carbonyl bond in which oxygen carry the partially negative charge. Okay, therefore there is a hydrogen bonding is formed, that is the hydrogen bonding is formed by the acidic hydrogen atom of one molecule of carboxylic acid with the oxygen atom of carbonyl groups. Okay, so यहाँ पे क्या होता है बेटा, that is it form the hydrogen bonding and it give the dimer structure, and therefore it is associated with hydrogen bonding, and due to this hydrogen bonding the van der Waals forces is also increases, क्योंकि यहाँ पे ये डायमर बनाते हैं तब ये क्या करते हैं, यहाँ पे कौन सा अट्रैक्शन भी बढ़ता है, दैट इज इंक्रीजिंग इन द वैन डेर वाल्स फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन. Therefore, due to the two reasons, that is increasing in the van der Waals force of attraction and making the hydrogen bonding itself, that is the carboxylic acid having the higher boiling point than aldehyde, ketone, alkane, ether, alcohol of having the same molecular weight or corresponding molecular weights. Okay, so this is the our next point, that is the boiling point. Now see here, as the molecular weight of carboxylic acid is increases, the boiling point of carboxylic acid is also increases. Okay, similarly that of aldehyde and ketone. So in the boiling point we see that is the carboxylic acid having the higher boiling point than alkane, ether, aldehyde, ketone and alcohol. Okay, why? Because in a liquid state, that is the carboxylic acid is associated in dimer structure. Due to the presence of hydrogen bonding in carboxylic acid, there is a strong intermolecular force of attraction is take place. Okay, and this hydrogen bonding is take place between the acidic hydrogen atom of one molecules of carboxylic acid and carbonyl oxygen atom of other molecule of carboxylic acid. Okay, and it form the dimer, and therefore there is a also van der Waals force of attraction is also increases. Therefore carboxylic acid having the higher boiling point than the aldehyde, ketone, alkane and ether and alcohols. Okay, so this is our next point, that is the boiling point. Now our last point, that is called as a solubility. Now solubility, it is a very important point. Similarly of that aldehyde and ketone, that is we see the next point, that is solubility of carboxylic acid. Now that is lower aliphatic carboxylic acid up to 4 carbon atom are soluble in water, because that is the carboxylic acid, lower carboxylic acid make the hydrogen bonding with water molecules, and therefore it is soluble in a water molecules. Okay, but the higher member of carboxylic acid compound does not make the hydrogen bonding, because the non polar alkyl group is increases. Okay, non polar alkyl group is increases, therefore it is insoluble in water molecules. So we can see that is the solubility of carboxylic acid. Third point is solubility. Okay, in a solubility we see that is the first 4 aliphatic carboxylic acid are soluble in a water molecule, because it forms the hydrogen bonding with the water molecule. For example, that is RC double bond O and OH. Okay, now in this is the plus water molecule, that is HOH. Now this carbonyl oxygen atom make the hydrogen bonding with the water molecules. Okay, and therefore this carboxylic acid is soluble in water molecule, that is lower carboxylic acid are soluble in water molecules. Similarly that okay, now see here, due to the hydrogen bonding between the water molecule and carboxylic acid, that is lower aliphatic carboxylic acid is soluble in water molecule, but as the molecular weight increases, the solubility of the carboxylic acid in water molecule is decreases. That is higher member of carboxylic acid are insoluble in water molecule. Why? Because there is a increasing in the alkyl group, that is alkyl chain is increases, which is non-polar alkyl chain, and this is insoluble in water molecules. Okay, so अपन यहाँ पे बोल सकते हैं as the molecular weight increases, the solubility of carboxylic acid in water molecule is decreases. Okay, next point is that is some important point, that is therefore the carboxylic acid which is water insoluble, it is soluble in some organic solvent like benzene, alcohol, phenol and ether, etc. मतलब हायर member of carboxylic acid are soluble in organic solvent like alcohol, phenol, ether, benzene, etc. Okay. Next point, that is some other point of the carboxylic acid. We know about that. That is the formic acid and acetic acid. Okay. That is the formic acid and acetic acid is heavier than water molecules. Okay. Heavier than water molecules. While all other carboxylic acid molecules are the lighter than water molecules. Okay, so this is the one of the important point याद रखना CET के लिए, that is formic acid and acetic acid are higher, it having the higher than water molecules, that is it having the higher density than water molecules, and higher carboxylic acid is lighter than water molecules. ये important है. And one important point is that is below the 16.6 degree Celsius. Below the 16.6 degree Celsius, the pure acetic acid, that is the pure acetic acid converted into the solid ice like compound, that is solid converted into the ice like solid. Okay, ice like solid. Therefore at 16.6 degree Celsius the pure acetic acid is also called as glacial acetic acid. क्या बोलते हैं अपन? ग्लेशियल एसिटिक एसिड. ओके, तो यहाँ पे अगर प्योर एसिटिक एसिड आप 16.6 डिग्री सेल्सियस के बिलो लेके जाते हैं तब वो एसिटिक एसिड का कन्वर्जन किसमें होता है? आइस लाइक कंपाउंड, दैट इज आइस लाइक सॉलिड कंपाउंड. एंड देयरफॉर एट बिलो द 16.60 डिग्री सेल्सियस दैट इज pure acetic acid is also called as a glacial acetic acid. Okay, and we know about that the acetic acid is also useful in a vinegar. Okay, now in a vinegar solution that is 6 to 10% acetic acid is present. Okay, तो ये याद रखना for the CET and NET. So today we completed the some important basic point of or some important physical properties of aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. Thank you.